Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the #wokwithLan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our screencast for today. So we will be just continuing the previous discussion that we had. No? Last time we discussed about the introduction, and then we entered some numbers, text, and formula as well. So we will be just continuing that. No? As you can see on the screen, okay, last time what we have done is to add these numbers. We added these numbers, and if you notice on the formula bar, okay, we use the sum function. But before that, we figured some of the formulas, no? Some of the formulas, some of the techniques that we used. Okay? Now, as you can see here, we didn't add yet the February, the March, okay? And then later on, we will be continuing until December of 2021, okay? Now, let me just correct this one. Okay. Okay, there should be a double parenthesis here, all right? Now, okay, so there are many options, no, on how to do this. Okay, one is we can be able to type a formula again, no, including the equal sign, and then we will be choosing the cells here. No, we will be adding the cells or the sum function, etc. But we would not do that, no, because of course we value our time, diba? Now, if you notice here, guys, no, one thing that we can do is to try to copy, okay, and then paste this one, because in Excel there is a relative cell addressing, so it would just assume that when you copy and paste that one, you are using that particular formula also, no, something like that. Okay, so if we will try to copy that one, copy and paste it on the D11 and E11, look what happened. Okay, it also use no, the function that you use in the C11, no. The only difference is it would just change the particular addresses, no, or cell addresses. Okay, now sometimes we, okay, but there is a shorter time, no, to do that, no, mas maiksi na oras na paggawa nun, no. For example here, when we select this C11, no, if you notice there is a green, okay, green handle, okay, green handle. Let me just wait lang, view, let me zoom. Yeah, let me, it's 200%. Okay, 200%. Now, look what happened, no? Look what's happening on the screen right now. Okay, now, if you select this C11, no, at the lower right, no, lower right portion of that cell address, okay, you can see a green handle. Okay, you can see a green handle, and if you put your mouse pointer on that particular green handle, what would happen to your mouse pointer? It would become a crosshair. Okay, now when it becomes crosshair, you can click that one, no, going to the areas that you want to copy that particular formula, no. So let's try to do that. Okay, all right, the same thing. Okay, all right, so it's like a magic. Now, okay, now we will be having the autofill right now, no. So for example, in Excel, in Microsoft Excel, okay, it would recognize patterns, no? It would recognize patterns. So for example, long form of days, no? Monday, Tuesday, Okay, that is a pattern already, right? Monday, Tuesday. Okay, so when you try to select these days, no, Monday and Tuesday, and if you notice, there is a green handlebar again, di ba? Green handlebar again. So meaning to say, you could be able to say, click and drag that one, no? Pababa. Okay, so click that one, and if you notice, there is a label there, it will become Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, if you will continue, it would uh it would enter Monday, Tuesday, etc. But for this demonstration, we are satisfied with days until Sunday only. All right. Okay. Now, how about short form? Because this is a long form. How about short form? Okay. So, for example, Monday, would it recognize? Okay, something like that. So, merong there is a way also when you type, it would recognize. All right. But for the sake of this discussion, we would just be typing Monday, Tuesday, and then there is green handlebar. All right. Sorry. Okay, there is a green handlebar. We can click and drag that also. All right. Now, how about numbers? No. Okay. How about numbers? 1, 2, etc. We could do that also. Okay. There you are. All right. Letters also. Letters. B. Okay. Yeah, there you are. It would not recognize, no, because it seems to that particular command that it would just have the ABC, no, it's not the alphabet. Okay, so something like that. So it would not recognize. All right, so we just tried that one. Okay, so let us try to try to delete that. And in Excel, no, there are many ways on how to uh, there are many ways on how to use the autofill also, you know. Okay, now if you notice here, okay, it is only January to March only, no? We're talking about the first quarter of the year. Okay, so what we will do is for us to extend until December. Okay, until December, I selected the January, February, and March, and then we click and drag to the right until we reach the December. Okay, so yeah. All right. Until December there, right? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. We can do also, for example, long form of 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 a month. Let's try to figure out. Let's try to see if this will work. Okay, January, February. All right. Sorry. Let's cancel that one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we can do that also. But let us try to delete that. So it's already January. We completed this one already, no? Okay, so for the sake of this demonstration, we will just be typing any amount here. Okay, so 5.6, 6.3, 2.4, 1.2, 3.5, 4.6, 5.6, 5.4, and 12.1, for example, only. No? So 12 million. All right. So, okay. So, 6.5, 6.3, 6.2, um, 3.6, 3.6, okay, 3.5, 4.6, 4.5, 5.2, 5.1, okay, and then press enter. All right, 4.2, 1.2, 3.2, 3.2, 3. 3, 3.5, 3.6, 6.3, 6.5. And then press enter. It will return to the previous, it will return to the to F9, no? F9. Okay, 5.6, 6.3, 9.6, 8.6, 8.8, 8.7, 8.9, 8.6, 8.9. Okay, and then press enter. All right. So if you notice here, okay, what we can do para mas mabilis is for us to just double click. Let's try to double click and double click on it. Okay, it will not have it. Okay, so we just click and drag, no, to the right until we reach the December. Okay, so that is 32.6. If you try to recheck, no, if this is correct, you just click on that one and 11 and then go to the formula bar, try to check if it indeed used the right addresses. Okay, something like that. All right, now, okay. All right, so if you notice here, okay, it seems it's not that good, no? Parang it's not pleasing to the eye yet. Okay, what we can do is for us to increase this um adjustment. We will adjust the text, no? In Pasig City, Barangay Affairs Office, Revenue 2021 in millions. Okay, so we will try to increase that. Okay, we go to Home tab, all right, and then if you notice, we will be using the different font face, no? We will be using Arial Black. Okay, if you notice here, no, when we try to click the drop down box here, okay, you can be able to see the font face here, and then in real time, when you try to hover, the font face, you can be able to see in real time what would happen at the background, yung background, no? What would happen on that particular cell or those texts. Okay, so for the sake of this demonstration, we will be using Arial Black. Okay, yeah, there you are, Arial Black. Okay, now we will be using the type size as 12, no? Yeah, 12. All right, as 12. And if you notice here, okay, you have the increased font size, okay, and then decrease font size. Okay, so you can be able to increase it without going to the font size itself, no? So 14, let's try to select in 16, no? The font size is 16. Okay? All right. Now, I'm not satisfied here yet, no? Okay, I would like to make this cell addresses, no, on the row 4 as bold, no? We will make it bold. Okay, so barangays January until December. So let's try to make it bold. Okay, and all right, I would like to um try to figure out, no, kung medyo sana dikit dito kasi yung when we are entering numbers, it will be in the on the right right aligned siya, no? So gusto ko mas medyo malapit-lapit doon. So I will just make it middle align, no? And then center your content also. All right. Okay? So middle align and center align, no? Center your content, something like that. Okay? So much better right now, but before that, let me just change this one, okay? Pass this header as your, okay, I would like to change it to green text. Okay, so yeah, green text. There you are. Or make it, let's make it blue. Okay, yeah, there you are, blue text. All right, so since the color of the is blue, no, and I would like to the total here. I do not want to include on my formatting, no, total, but only these numbers. Okay, so I would just type on my keyboard, Shift, Control, and then press the down arrow key on the keyboard. Okay? Not down arrow key, the right arrow key on the keyboard. No? If you notice, it has been selected. No? The cell addresses has been selected. Okay? Now, what I would like to do is to make it bold. Okay? Make it bold. Something like that. Now, I would like to make it total here, no? May total din tayo dito, no? Yan, total, for example. And then, I would like to make it, use the sum. Okay, and then I would like to select this one. Okay, and then press enter key on the keyboard. Now, instead of doing the same thing that I did a while ago, what I will do is to just copy this one and then paste it here. Okay, something like that. And then okay, so all in all right, grand total, this is the grand total. I would just make it sum. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, so it means to say the entire income of the barangay affairs, no, is 278.81 million pesos, for example, only. Okay, all right then. Okay, so here I would like to include a date, no? A date. So for example, today is June 27, no? Or 26. 26, okay, 2022, no? So if you notice, it will change to tama naman, di ba? Tama naman on the formula bar if you notice, no? It enters 6/26/2022. But we did what ang ginawa natin kanina is June 26, 2022. But ganun talaga, no? So, maybe the format is okay, so what we can do is to go to number group, no? Click on this, no? So, meron tayong it will proceed to the format cells dialog box. Okay? So, we go to the date, no? All right, date, and then okay, we will scroll it here. This is the format that we would like to have. March 14, 2012. That is the format, okay? And then click OK. All right, so look at that, no? Okay, so it means to say that you have the June 26, 2022. So much better. All right, so we will be just continuing the next screencast, but we will be using this one also. All right, sige. All right, that's it. Thank you very much, and see you on the next screencast for this. Thank you.